Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-36D, the Clayton Undertype steam wagon, Feedwater Heater top cover. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-36D, Feedwater Heater top cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get building. So first we'll open up template MMGS. Click save. We want in there, went too far out. 1-36D. Okay, so top plane, sketch, circle. So that's going to be 93. Missed. 93 millimeters. Let's do another circle. This may seem familiar. That's going to be a construction line. And that's going to be 82. 82. Let's do another small circle. That's going to be 4. And that's going to be, let's just make sure that is all horizontal. Yep. And yep, there we go. Oh, so defined. So it's already locked in, so I can't move it anywhere, so that's cool. Now it does lock in some things, so okay, so now we want go to linear pattern. We want circular. Gonna be 6 of those. And remember, we need to select go up to this one there. Oh no, end of this pattern, sorry, that one there. I think. Nope. Wrong one. On there. And okay, there we go, beautiful. So 6 there, and that's going to be exit out. Oh yeah, that's right, extrude, because I'm doing the whole thing in one go. So here's an example of doing stuff in one go. So I was going to have myself. So that's 3 mil thick and done. There we go. Wonder why I couldn't get the extrude. I wonder why the extrude wasn't showing up. But yeah, so there's a way you can do that in just one pretty much go. So that is all there's for that one. Actually, before we go any further, there's one side fillet, 1.5. There's that side there, and done. There we go. So that is that part done. So that should fit on top of the one we just done. So that is part 1-36D, the Feedwater Heater top cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So if you enjoyed the video, click that like button or found it helpful. If you want to see more, you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And thank you if everyone has subscribed, and welcome new subscribers. Got any questions, comments, or just suggestions? Pop in the comment section below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.